Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. English. Today, we're going to discuss about correlative conjunctions. In this lesson, you will be able to learn and understand when and how to use the correlative conjunctions. Are you ready? What are correlative conjunctions? Correlative conjunctions. They are words that work in pairs to join a word or group of words of equal value in a sentence. Some of the most common correlative conjunctions are both and, either or, neither nor, not but, whether or, rather than, just as so, not only but also. How to use correlative conjunctions? Both and. Using both and implies a correlation between two subjects that are performing the same action. Examples: this place is both large and cozy. Both my mother and father are teachers. Every day, both the cat and the dog wake me up. He played both basketball and volleyball when he was a student. Either or. We use either or to connect two positive statements of equal weight. It presents two options or alternatives. Examples: I want to paint my bedroom either violet or pink. Either Lay or Lance will be there. We should bring either cake or ice cream. Either your brother will pick you up or you will get a ride home with a friend. Neither nor. We use neither nor to connect two negative statements of equal weight. Examples: I will neither watch the show nor read the book. Kate is neither a singer nor a dancer. Neither my dad nor my mom like swimming. I eat neither meat nor fish. Whether or. We use whether or to connect two possible actions of a subject. Examples: I am not sure whether I will be able to attend the meeting or not. We are going to help you whether you like it or not. You must decide whether you will go by boat or by plane. Not but. We use not but to express a contradiction, negating the first option and emphasizing the second. Examples: she is not happy but thrilled. Not just one friend turned up to help, but the entire community. He is not educated, but he possesses good manners. Just as so. We use just as so to indicate that the two elements being joined are similar. Examples: just as I love horror films, so does my friend love actions. Just as French is spoken in France, so English is spoken in England. Just as Lance loves basketball, so Lester loves soccer. Rather than. We use rather than to present a subject's preference for one thing over another. Examples: I would rather have coffee than milk. She would rather go out than stay at home today. He would rather play than work. Not only, but also. We use not only but also to emphasize an additional element in the sentence. Examples: she is not only beautiful but also very smart. Lei is not only kind but she is also diligent. My favorite pets are not only dogs but also hamsters and rabbits. Once again, these are the correlative conjunctions. Neither nor, not only but also, either or, rather than, both and, not but, whether or, just as so. Write the missing correlative conjunctions to complete the sentence. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Are you ready? Blank the classroom, blank the library are open. The correct answer is both the classroom and the library are open. I will eat blank pork, blank fish for dinner. The correct answer, I will eat either pork or fish for dinner. You must do it blank, you like it blank, not. And the correct answer is, you must do it whether you like it or not. Blank Jack, blank Jill is from Malaysia. And the correct answer, not only Jack but also Jill is from Malaysia. I would blank go to the market, blank to the mall. The correct answer is, I would rather go to the market than to the mall.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.